Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of my new phone, that is Samsung A6s. So here is the phone. I got it yesterday, but I'm a little busy, so I can't upload. So this is the first phone from Samsung, which is not manufactured by Samsung. This is manufactured by a company that is called Wintech. This phone is like, you can say, ODM, original device manufacturer is Wintech. Samsung just gave their brand to this one because in China, the Samsung mid-range phone is not famous now. Mostly people just buy like S8, S9 or Note series. Otherwise, nobody buy in China because they prefer Xiaomi, Huawei, Honor, Oppo, Vivo, Meizu, like the Chinese local brand. They prefer the mid-range phone from them, not from Samsung. So Samsung want to come back in the Chinese market in the mid-range. So they launched this phone. This phone cost me about $260 US. This have Snapdragon 660, 6GB RAM. They have two variants. It also supports the memory card. So the phone is really good with this price, and it's a new, like you can say, new style of Samsung to make the price cheap. Otherwise, mostly, Samsung phones are a little expensive with their features. So let's unbox this and see what's inside this phone, and hope you like this video. If you are new, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So here is our box of Samsung A6s. So Samsung Galaxy A6s, the color is purple, 64GB storage. So you can see 6-inch screen, 12+5 rear camera, 12 megapixel front camera, 6GB RAM and 64GB storage. This cost me $260 US, and I got two gifts. This one, the cover of the phone. I pre-booked this phone on 1st November, and this one is the Bluetooth speaker. So on the 11/11, the first sale is there. So I got this phone yesterday, and these two gifts. So let's open the box and see. So this one is aluminium built and glass back. So let's see the box first and phone later. So here we have one SIM ejector tool and some manuals, which is in Chinese. This phone doesn't support fast charger. So the charger they provide of Samsung is 5-volt 2 ampere normal charger. But there's a good thing, they provide us Type-C charging port, so which I like it. But if they provide the fast charging support, it will be much better, like Type-C charging cable. And this phone also gave us the earphone. In my unboxing video in Hindi channel, many people asked me, show me the earphones which they provide. You can see it. This phone also supports 3.5 audio jack. So which one is also good, you can say. Otherwise, mostly Samsung price is overpriced, you can say. So you can say 6-inch screen, full HD plus AMOLED screen. The sides are aluminium, power on button, 3.5 audio jack, mic, Type-C charging port, and speaker. Here we have the SIM tray and volume key. So let's show you the SIM tray. This phone support 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM plus memory card up to 256GB memory card. So this one is also a good feature of this phone. The volume key, and on the top noise cancellation with 2 antenna. From the behind, this is glass look Samsung, and dual rear camera with LED flash and fingerprint sensor lock. So let's begin the phone. Samsung Galaxy A6s. So we have only two options of English and Chinese. So I have to put my SIM card to activate this SIM. Now do the setup, face unlock. So just give some permission and okay, so the setup is complete. You can see. Let's try the face unlock. How quick is it? Yes, quick, not so bad. Yesterday in my unboxing video in Hindi, many people asked me, does this phone have a notification light? So this phone have a notification light. You can see the blue color. So now let's try the Antutu benchmark of this phone. So the score is 144,406. So this is a good score, you can say, as the Snapdragon 660. So you can say Snapdragon 660, Android 8.1, Oreo and Reno 512, resolution 1080 by 2160, 6 GB RAM. Then we can say 6-inch screen, 432 density, pixel density 403. The camera is wrong in Antutu benchmark. The battery is 3300 mAh and NFC not supported. So let's talk about the camera now. So they have a front camera of 12 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, and the rear camera is 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel with f1.8 aperture plus f2.2 aperture. So let's see if we record the video from the front camera, we can record in Full HD 1080p. So now let's see the rear camera. I will upload the camera review as soon as possible. So not this one. I'm using Samsung phone after a long time, so I'm not so familiar. So in the rear camera, we can record the video in 4K Ultra HD. So this one is good, you can say. I will compare the camera and give you camera review as soon as possible. So now let's try the video quality. I'm using TikTok. Let's see how it looks. So the volume is good. So now let's try some music and see the speaker quality of this phone. Is really good. It's loud and clear. So in next video I will show you the gaming review also, and hope you like this video and hope Samsung launch this phone globally as soon as possible. So if you are new, please subscribe my channel and give me a like.